In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank screen in CapCut. This is perfect for creating a dramatic pause, hiding a cut, or giving your viewers a moment to absorb information before the next scene. Start by opening CapCut, importing your video, and placing it on the main timeline so you can see it in the workspace. Once your clip is visible in the timeline, we'll use the first method, which is great when you want a true empty gap. Look for the magnet or snap icon on the main track and turn it off. This feature automatically snaps clips together and removes gaps, which is the opposite of what we want right now. With the magnet off, move your playhead to the exact frame where you want the blank screen to start and make a slice, sometimes called a split. You should now have two clips. Click the second piece and drag it to the right, away from the first piece. Because snapping is disabled, it won't jump back into place, and the space you create becomes your blank screen. That gap will render as black when you play back or export. If you need a longer or shorter pause, just adjust how far you drag the second clip. When you're done, remember to turn the magnet back on so future edits behave normally. The second method is to place a blank file between your clips. This is useful if you prefer a controlled visible element rather than an empty gap. First, leave a small gap where you want the pause, then add a blank file into that space. A blank file can be a solid black or white color clip or a plain image with no content. If your library includes stock or color clips, choose a black one and drop it into the gap. Trim the edges of that blank file to match the exact duration you want for the blank screen. This method gives you precise control and makes it easy to apply consistent pauses across your project. If your blank file has any default audio, mute it so the pause is truly silent. Before wrapping up, scrub through the edit to confirm the transition into and out of the blank screen feels smooth. Check audio behavior as well, since a blank screen can be silent or can let background audio continue depending on your edit. That's it. You now know two reliable ways to add a blank screen in CapCut. Create a gap by turning off the magnet and